Hello, everyone. My name is Samantha Gedden, and I'm here to talk to you today about connecting food and what we're doing to revolutionize the agriculture and food industry regarding sustainability. We like to describe ourselves as a B2B food tech company who uses blockchain for real-time traceability and digital auditing from farm to store. Connecting Food was founded back in 2016 by Maxine and Stefano, and they came to Connecting Food with over 40 years of industry experience, which makes us the only food blockchain out there that was designed by agri-food actors for agri-food actors. And this is really a game changer because our solution was designed specifically with the food industry challenges in mind. Now, we really work to help our clients showcase their transparency and prove their promises to consumers. Our goal is really, at the end, to restore consumer trust in food and in food origins. And you might be wondering how we do this. We have a three-step method. We start out by leveraging existing traceability data. And this is really key because we don't ask our clients to do more work. We work with the information they have available today, either for internal purposes or for regulatory purposes. And we're able to go and capture that data in the format it exists, and then we do the heavy lifting on our end to translate that data into a format that can be standardized and used to have end-to-end traceability. And then now this is the key part. The game changer is our capacity to do digital auditing. As you may or may not know, information is recorded in the blockchain, but the blockchain doesn't do any kind of judgment. It doesn't validate the information. It doesn't say if it's truthful. It simply records it. So it's vital for our customers that we digitally audit the information prior to recording it on the blockchain so that they're 100% sure it's accurate. And this also has the added benefit of making sure that their suppliers are 100% compliant for each batch of product that they deliver. And if it's not compliant, we can raise real-time alerts, allowing them to take immediate action to either reject the batch. Let's say it's supposed to be an organic batch and it's not organic in the end. They can reroute that to a conventional food system, which avoids product recalls and reduces food wastage. And then, of course, we're doing all of that with blockchain as a really trusted third party, allowing all actors of the food chain to share their data in a very secure but also transparent way. And then because we have all of that data, we're able to help our clients really leverage that to help them prove their promises regarding sustainability to both their customers, to retailers, and to the end consumer. So we can look at things like product origin and really prove to the consumer or a client where the product came from. We can do a lot of storytelling around farmer empowerment programs, things they're doing to support local communities. We can showcase key agricultural practices like regenerative agriculture, fair trade practices. Of course, sustainable sourcing is a really hot topic today. And then on the environmental side, we can really help them prove that they're making year-on-year efforts towards their sustainability commitments for things like reduced carbon footprint, using recycled packaging, renewable energy, etc. And then the last step, of course, is how do you then go ahead and prove that to the consumer? Well, we do that via a QR code that we place on the product packaging that the consumer can then scan with their smartphone. So there's nothing for them to download. They simply scan it, and you'll see a web page will pop up. And when this page opens, it really is a great communication tool that allows our customers to extend the packaging. So they can communicate a lot of great things about the brand, what they're doing for sustainability, but also with the key goal of being able to reconnect the consumer to the product origins, to who made it. You know, we can do a whole lot of storytelling around the farmers, show videos of how the product was picked, sustainability efforts that they're doing. We can showcase things like animal welfare. So it's just a really, really great tool to help restore consumer trust in our food systems. And then I would be remiss today if I didn't share with you our pioneers in food transparency. As you can see, we are active in many food verticals: milk, meats, dairy, fruits and vegetables, beverages, flour, and this is really what has made us the #1 food blockchain in Europe. You know, I think our solution has really been a game changer, both from small cooperatives like Juste et Vendiens up to really big global brands like Mondelez and Nestle, who have trusted us to trace their food systems because of our industry knowledge and our food chain expertise. So we've been very fortunate, and I think one of the most successful companies in the world when it comes to transforming products past the pilot stage and into products that are actually industrialized and available in store for consumers. So I wanted to end with the photo of our team We're currently based at Station F in Paris, France. We're growing very quickly, and we have a lot of really exciting projects planned for 2020. And we really wanted to thank you for this opportunity to continue to pitch today virtually. Of course, we would have preferred to have been there with you in person, but we're very grateful that you maintained the contest even remotely, and we thank you for your consideration.